What is up, hobos? Today we're in Resolven in sunny South Wales. Not very sunny at the moment, but meh, who cares? Cool fact, Resolven was the name of my first band when I was a kid. Yeah, we didn't do so well, that band. Anyway, we're looking at a place today called the Melincourt Waterfalls. Not those kind of melons. Get your mind out of the gutter. Let's see what we can find. Come with us. So one of the great things about living in South Wales is you're never more than half hour away from a new hidden gem hike, a waterfall you've never seen, a beautiful trail. And if you're a little bit worried about getting out in the rain in maybe January or February, trust me, the waterfalls here are even more beautiful when there's been a bit of overnight rain. So get your waterproof jacket on, get your boots on, and get out there exploring, hobos, okay? So it's about a 400-meter walk from the car park to the waterfall. It's not a great distance, and the path itself is very well made. Anybody can do it. Do be mindful though that if you come here, there is a steep drop that goes down to the river. So, you know, if you've got kids or elderly, then do take your time. But pretty much anybody can do this walk, and it's worth it. So as you make your way back from the waterfall, instead of going straight back to the car, look for a slightly mud track that diverts off the main path. This will take you up and around the top of the waterfalls and across an old bridge that you can peer across and have a look at the view from the top. It's very, very pretty. And what this creates for you then is this really cool circular walk back to the car, which is makes for a much better hike for you, especially because it's only a short hike to and from the waterfall anyway. So yeah, we would recommend you do this here to get the most out of your hike. When you first diverge on the path, it's quite muddy, but once you get off the mud track, then it's a concrete road, curves right back around to the car. It's a hike most people can do, not too difficult, but please do bear in mind that it can be very, very slippy when it's been very, very rainy. Take your time, wear good boots and waterproof clothes, and you will be fine. So that is it, guys. We finished this beautiful walk. It's called the Melincourt Waterfalls, and it's found in this lovely small quaint Welsh town called Resolven. The walk itself is very, very easy. 400 meters each way, a decent path. Pretty much anybody can do it, but you know, just to restate, there is a drop that goes down to the water, so if you've got kids or elderly with you, just keep an eye on them. That's okay, but anybody can do it, and it is absolutely beautiful. And if you think you're not coming out because it's raining, think again, it'll be even more beautiful. You can actually take a little side track off the beaten path here and go up and around the waterfalls, across a bridge, past the spooky cemetery, and down a proper road, and come out in this great circular route then, which is probably makes the entire walk maybe 2 miles long. But as I say, not particularly difficult. This is one for everyone. Just be mindful that when the weather's bad, it can be a bit muddy and a little bit slippy. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked our content, do the like and subscribe thing, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.